It's good when you and I can get together in a relaxed context and work on our mastery of the kidney. We are attempting to do a mock practical on the kidney so that we can be ready for a quiz or a regular practical when it comes our way. I am asking a few things of you. First, please number 5, 6, and 7 and put your answers to these features in the comments below the video. That way when other people interact, they'll see your answers and they'll check theirs against yours. The real answers as I see them are also in a link in the video description below. If you think I really would like some prep before this, on YouTube, type in kidney and Darrell Barnes and you should be able to pull up a couple of videos that could help you get ready to do this mock practical. With that being said, let's rock and roll. Number 5, what is the name of this red tube coming into the kidney? Number 6, the blue one exiting. And then number 7, what do you call this outer watermelon rind of the kidney? What is this region called? Number 7.